If Lucidchart is showing a browser error, a loading issue, or your document just won't open properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process to fix it fast. We'll start with the easiest checks first, then move into the most common browser settings that usually cause this problem. If this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, test Lucidchart in an Incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. This opens a private browsing window with fewer extensions and less stored data interfering with the site. Once the Incognito window opens, sign into your Lucidchart account and open the document that was giving you the error. If the document loads normally here, that's a strong sign the issue is being caused by your browser settings, cookies, or an extension, so keep going with the next steps. Next, disable your browser extensions. Open your browser and click the extensions icon, then choose Manage Extensions. Now look for anything that could interfere with Lucidchart, especially ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy blockers, or script blockers. Disable one extension at a time, then go back and refresh Lucidchart after each change. This helps you identify the exact extension causing the browser error. If Lucidchart starts working after disabling one of them, you found the problem. You can keep it off while using Lucidchart, or change its settings so it doesn't block the site. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure the time range is set to all time, because older cached files can keep the problem going even after you've made other changes. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. Once that finishes, restart your browser completely, sign back into Lucidchart, and try opening your document again. This step solves a lot of browser-related errors because it forces the site to load fresh data instead of using broken or outdated files. Now, let's check your VPN or network connection. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily and refresh Lucidchart. Sometimes VPN traffic can trigger loading problems, sign-in issues, or blocked resources inside the browser. If the issue still continues, try switching to a different network. For example, you can test on a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection, then open Lucidchart again and see if the document loads properly. This is a really useful test because it helps you figure out whether the browser error is caused by your network rather than the browser itself. Another important fix is allowing third-party cookies. Open your browser settings again and go to Privacy and Security. Look for third-party cookies. Lucidchart may need these enabled to work properly, especially if it depends on login sessions or embedded services. Choose Allow Third-Party Cookies or add an exception for Lucid.so if your browser gives you that option. After that, refresh Lucidchart and test the document again. In many cases, this single setting is the reason the site refuses to load correctly. If you've gone through all of these steps, Lucidchart should be working much more reliably now. To recap, you tested in incognito mode, disabled conflicting extensions, cleared cache and cookies, checked your VPN or network, and allowed third-party cookies. Those are the most common reasons for a Lucidchart browser error, and they solve the issue for most users without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful software fixes, tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.